everybody. Just wanted to do a quick video. I'm not going to do it about costumes, it's about something else I built, but just a quick look at some of my costumes and props and helmets and foam guns and all that kind of stuff. I could do a video on a couple of these. I'll probably do one for my Mandalorian suit up, and I've got this other kind of Star Trek Mandalorian going on. But today I wanted to talk about something that I haven't built in a long time, and that's just a model. So I found this model kit in a box that we'd had for years, and I thought instead of just moving it all the time, I'm going to go ahead and build it. So it is the Jolly Roger. It's a really old model kit. I don't even remember when we bought that, but I have put it all together and did some painting with my airbrush, my little airbrush setup here. Put some guys on it, some little crew members. You can probably barely see them hanging from, there's a guy right there, and there's somebody standing on the deck and somebody manning the wheel. But it's something that I haven't done. I thought it was really cool. I did some rigging, not a lot, but I did some. So you can see it from both sides. And the thing that I really thought was really cool was the water. So I tried something new. I'd seen it on YouTube where you have foam core, which I use a lot of, and then you use aluminum foil underneath as your base. So I made some waves out of the foil and then put another coat of foil on top of that, and then painted that after I've used some clear glue, some Mod Podge on it. And then a couple different colors of blue. I did, the first coat was a dark blue that I just painted with the brush, and then I came back with the airbrush and did a couple different colors. And then I made up some silicone with some snow and some alcohol to make that a little bit easier to mix. And then finally put in some cotton for some of the waves that are right close to the ship. But this is all painted with acrylics and gloss coated everything. And this frame that I built is basically some leftovers from some other stuff. And I think it came out pretty nice for my first model kit in a really long time. I did the sails out of fabric that I had. I just got them wet with some glue, put those over the plastic sails that come in the kit, and made them. It's not perfect, clearly. I haven't built any models, and I've seen a lot of sailing ship models online that are just fantastic, but I was actually pretty proud of this one, so I thought I'd do a quick little video on it. So there you have it. There's a Jolly Roger made with cloth sails, just some painting, and what I think is a really cool water base. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.